There was a time when power outages controlled people's life, a time when families had to pause their activities because the light suddenly went out. Business struggled, productivity dropped, and comfort became dependent on an unreliable power supply. But today, that story is changing. This installation is not just about solar panels, batteries, and inverter. It's about freedom. It's about creating a home that is no longer at the mercy of power interruptions. We arrived at this property with one goal: to design and install a solar energy system that delivers reliable, efficient, and uninterrupted electricity. Every great installation begins with understanding the customer needs. We look at their daily lifestyle, their energy consumption, and the appliances they use most. The objective wasn't simply to install equipment, it was to provide solutions that should serve them for years to come. As we pull into the compound, something immediately catches our attention. The client is already outside waiting for us, and you can see it all over his face: excitement, anticipation, and hope. He greets the team with a smile that says, "Today is the day." After dealing with unreliable power and all the inconveniences that come with it, today marks the beginning of something different. Today, his home is taking a step towards energy independence. This excitement motivates us more because moments like this remind us why we do what we do. We are not simply installing solar equipment, we are providing confidence, convenience, and a better quality of life. Without wasting time, the team gets to work. Equipment is carefully unloaded, positioned, and marked out, and installation begins. For this project, we will be installing 10 620-watt solar panels, a 6 kW Deye hybrid inverter, and a 10 kWh Cworth lithium battery. With all the equipment successfully unloaded, the team immediately swing into action. To ensure efficiency and timely delivery, the team divides itself into two groups. One team focuses on the interior installation while the other takes charge of the exterior work. Inside the building is where the art of the solar system comes together. This is where power is managed, stored, and distributed to ensure the client enjoys a seamless electricity experience. We started with the distribution board. The team carefully assessed the existing wire and prepared the distribution board for integration with the new solar system. This stage requires a high level of attention to detail because the distribution board plays a critical role in ensuring that power flows safely. The distribution board was being worked on. Another member of the team was carefully unboxing the 6 kW Deye hybrid inverter. The inverter was carefully removed from its packaging and thoroughly inspected to ensure everything was in perfect condition. Protective coverings were removed, accessories were checked, and the installation components were arranged and prepared. After the unboxing of the inverter, the next step was to unbox the 10 kW Cworth lithium battery. The battery was carefully removed from its packaging and inspected to ensure everything was intact and ready for installation. Every component was checked and prepared because attention to details at this stage is essential for a smooth and professional installation. Then we proceed to laying of conduit pipe for proper wire passage. Once the piping was completed, attention shifted to mounting the main equipment. The 6 kW Deye hybrid inverter was carefully mounted on the wall. Before fixing it permanently, the team used a plumb line to ensure perfect vertical alignment. This is a small but very important detail. Proper alignment not only improves the aesthetic of the installation but also ensures safety and ease of operation. After the inverter was securely mounted, the 10 kWh Cworth lithium battery was also positioned and installed. Again, we use our plumb to confirm proper alignment and stability before final fastening. Precision at this stage guarantees long-term performance and reduces the risk of installation error. With both inverter and battery properly mounted, aligned, and secured, the interior installation is now taking a solid and professional shape. Every pipe laid and every component fixed brings the system closer to full operation, ready to deliver reliable and uninterrupted solar power. Let's move to the exterior part of the job. The team carefully begins by raising the solar panels to the rooftop. Each of the 10 620-watt panels is handled with caution as it is lifted upward, ensuring there is no damage during transportation. This stage requires coordination and teamwork because safety and precision are very important when working at height. Before the panels are placed, the mounting rails are first installed. These rails form the strong foundation that will hold the entire solar array. The team measures, aligns, and secures each rail carefully, making sure everything is perfectly straight and firmly fixed to the roof structure. Now let's step back inside to see what's happening with the interior installation. At this stage, the interior installation is focused on wiring and the safety box integration. All the wiring from the inverter, battery, and the distribution board is now being carefully organized and finalized. The team ensures that every cable is properly routed through the conduit pipes with no loose or exposed wiring. Now let's go back to the exterior. Outside on the roof, the installation is at its most active stage. The mounting rails have already been firmly fixed, forming the strong foundation of our solar array. The team carefully continues by lifting the first set of the solar panels on the rooftop. Each panel passes hand to hand with caution, ensuring safety and preventing any form of damage during the lifting process. Now the team leader steps into
Hello Nigerians,
entire setup.
this is AKSUN Electronics Technologies Ltd. So right here we just finished installation of a 6 kilowatt hybrid inverter paired with a 10 kilowatt lithium battery from Seawatt Energy Deye. And one beautiful thing I love about Deye inverter is the Deye inverter comes with 2 strings. So fortunately we used to just only one, but you can also monitor your usage, battery, you can do that via their app. They have their app. I think by this side you can just scan, and then we have the Wi-Fi password. You can do your monitoring setup. A good one from there, then we have some. So right now we've done the installation. Both battery, you can see the battery 69%. Now come and see, bring the camera closer. So can you see our battery also showing 69%, 53 points volt. Now you can see 69% penetrate the volt, can you see 53 volt. So both inverter and battery are communicating fine. So this is just to power this 5-bedroom duplex, the lighting, the TV, the fans, and a 1.5 horsepower AC at the master room. And your TV and every other way. So you love what you see, and you also want to be energy independent. You want to be free from PSN wahala. Contact us today at AKSUN Electronics Technologies Ltd. Destination is not a barrier anywhere in the country except Sambisa Forest. So we'll be right there, and then we give you top-notch products, top-notch service. Expect top-notch from us. Thank you guys.
And here is our solar panels, beautifully laid out on the roof. 10 620 watt panel, perfectly aligned and securely mounted on the rail, forming a clean and structured solar array. Also seated there is our beautiful inverter and battery setup, neatly mounted and fully integrated into the system. This is what a well-executed solar installation looks like: clean, efficient, and built for reliability.